Hey guys, �Coach here. Welcome back to another video. I'm so excited that you're here because I'm going to talk about in this video, I'm going to walk you through Builderall 4.0. I'm going to walk you through the back office and show you the tools and bonuses that are available to help you be more visible online, grow your business, grow your digital marketing, network marketing, affiliate marketing. It doesn't matter what kind of business you have, but you know, having tools to grow your business is what you need. Okay. So in addition to having, a lot of people know that Builderall has the ability to allow you to, build funnels. It has a connected autoresponder called Mailing Boss, and it allows you to do websites. But there's a host of other things that it allows you to do, and I'm going to walk you through all that today. All right. So when you come into Builderall, one of the first things that you're going to see is your home. And what it's going to do is have to you all of the apps that are available to you to help you do what you need to do in your business. Now, when you come to the home screen, you have the ability to, you can either click on apps and it'll say customize your back office, and you can do that. Or right here where it says install more tools, you can install any tool that you want. And what will happen is, let's just go over to the apps where it says customize your back office. So what will happen is, when you're new, you'll only have two apps back there to be like Mailing Boss and Mailing Boss and the Funnel Builder, the Cheetah Funnel Builder. But over here to say what other tools would you like to add, and all you can sit there and you can add whatever tools you want. So for me, I have like the Funnel Club added. Or you could just add all the tools and they will all show up on your home screen. Okay, so let me just go through each one of these and kind of talk about these different apps and how they can help you in your business. This tool suite that you have at your disposal. So the first thing is the Cheetah drag and drop website builder. So, you have the ability to be a professional, to be a digital professional, and to have a website, and you can also use it to create funnels as well. So you have access to that, and it's a drag and drop builder, which is pretty cool. You also have a built-in autoresponder called Mailing Boss. You have Funnel Club. These are pre-done. Let me see if I can open that in a new tab. These are pre-done funnels already put together, so that you just push a button and you can connect things together. Okay, so like connect the autoresponder to the page and so on and so forth. And for those of you, one thing that Builderall is big on is teaching people how to start digital marketing agencies, or if they already have one, how to market them better. So you also have access to tools if you're an agency provider to reach out to, they're pre-done funnels to reach out to like dentists and things like that, and to get them, exposure to Builderall as well and pay you for it. Chatbots, you have chatbots, so you don't need mini chat and things like that. You have access to chatbots here, and then you have access to lead capture funnels and other types of funnels, and they're already put together. Like, they're beautiful funnels and they're already put together. You don't have to put them together, so that's pretty cool. Again, Builderall, unlike many builders, gives you access to create your own website agency within Builderall. So you can create a funnel agency or a website agency within Builderall, and they have training right here, local business website agency course. It's a free course, and it teaches you how to use the tool, which is Builderall, create websites for people and have them pay you for it. Okay, so for those of you who are like, yeah, I would love to learn a different way. Maybe you don't want to do the affiliate marketing model or the network marketing model. There's other ways to make money, and I've been doing this for years. So just so you know, being a digital service provider is a great way to make money, and Builderall provides that to you. Okay, another tool that you have access to is the ability to create professional emails. So like a lot of times, like when you use a domain provider, like I don't know, like GoDaddy or something, you have to pay additional money to have like a professional email. So like �KirkshinToTurnipseed at, 𝐶oachKirkshinto.com, right? I would have to pay for that email service. You no longer have to do that. Like with Builderall, you are able to create multiple emails, professional emails that people can email you at. So you no longer have to use a Gmail or anything like that. You can have a professional email set up, through your own Builderall account. Like all of these tools are saving you money. Like I think about how I would have to use like 5 different tools and websites to be able to do these things. Okay, the next tool is a video wrapper. And this tool allows you to create like amazing, eye-popping, attention-grabbing videos. So if you're a person who you're either doing Facebook ads, or you're doing Facebook Lives, or your Instagram, whatever you want, you know, the main thing about like marketing is you need people to pay attention. And once they pay attention, then you can market to them, right? So you have this tool called Video Wrapper, which will literally create like scroll stopping videos so that people pay attention. Okay, so you've probably seen some of these ads where it has like the big text and bright colors above and below. That's exactly what the Video Wrapper will do. Okay, now for those of you who are either you want to create websites, or you know, even for your funnels, you're like, how do people create these sexy funnels? Like they most likely have a designer. Well, guess what? You have a built-in designer, right? You have design resources for your pages, for your websites and things like that. That's built into Builderall. You won't find this anywhere else. Okay. Now this is one of my new favorite features. There's a feature called new e-learning, and you can create unlimited courses. So even if you're a network or affiliate marketing, maybe you want to create a training for your team or a course for your team, you can create that with the new e-learning platform, which is pretty cool. The DNS Manager just allows you just to manage your domains. I don't really use a script generator tool, but it's there. Now this is new. Builderall has a booking calendar tool. So for those of you who are using Calendly and you know Book Like a Boss, or you know all the other tools that are out there, you no longer need that. Right within Builderall, you get access to the Builderall booking tool, and then you no longer have to host your videos for your funnels, for your websites on YouTube, or like you know log in one day and you know your stuff isn't there. Well, guess what? Builderall has their own video hosting tool as well, so you get access to Builderall video hosting. Mockups. Okay, if you don't know what mockups are, so let's say you wanted to build something, like let's say you were marketing a course or a training or something, you could have run the Mockup Studio tool, and it would create you a mockup design. So let's just look at some of these. So you know, you could have like here, you could use this and it would put your course image there. You've probably seen some of these when you've logged into courses and they have like here, this is a mock-up. Okay, so you can create some of these for your courses, your trainings, your bonuses. If you're an affiliate marketer, things like that, you can create professional things like that to help you with your marketing in Builderall, and it will create it for you. Okay. Related to your brand, you know, things like that. So these are some of the tools. Let me get out of here. Hold on. Let me go back. I didn't go back far enough. So these are like some of the tools that you have access to. Okay, I went back too far now. Okay, so let me see. Go to dashboard. Let's go to dashboard again. Okay, so that's that. Let's see. You also have access to Webinar Builder. You can host webinars. The Cheetah Funnel Builder I already showed you. And that's pretty much it. Like there's tons of other tools. I'm not going to go through all those. I went through the most common ones. You know, the most common ones. If you are an Instagram marketer, there's an Instagram autoresponder. So if you like wanted to set up an autoresponder to immediately like respond back to people, you could do that. Also, there's a social auto post app. So if you needed help managing multiple social networks, you know, these are things to save you time in your business, guys. So, you know, leverage the tools and let the tools work for you, right? You know, so it's just crazy, like all the amount of tools that you get access to in this one builder. Okay. Now that I've showed you the tools, I want to talk about the training. One key thing is it's not enough to just have a tool, because a tool by itself is nothing. I say that all the time. An opportunity by itself is nothing without the training. And a tool by itself is nothing without the training. So if you're an online marketer, digital marketer, business, you need to have access to training to help you learn your craft, right? How to be a better digital marketer. So there's full stack marketer certification. So it would just basically train you how to be a marketer. I think that's like $25 a month. If you wanted to add that on, you can, you do not need it. One of the first things that you get access to is top affiliate training. Okay, so you're going to want to stay to the end because I'm going to show you our team bonuses, but you get access to top affiliate training. So let's just open that in a new tab so you can see what that's all about. The other thing I also wanted to show you is you get access to a local website agency course to show you how, again, how to make money with this tool servicing local businesses in your area. And it shows you exactly how to find them. Okay. And then there's mentoring. They have every Tuesday and I believe Thursday. There are coaching calls for Builderall. I also want to talk about something else that is like very unique to Builderall, and I love that they do this. So I'm going to open that up. So no, it's actually under, let me see. Hold on one second. I need to close that for a second. And this one, I got too many windows open. Okay. So when you click on the top affiliate training, there's a training overview. It shows you how to post content every day and what to post. It shows you, how to set up your Facebook page the right way. If you're marketing on Instagram, it shows you how to do that. It shows you how to get organic free traffic, right? So there's no need to be like, I don't know what to do. Like it even shows you like how to promote your funnels, etc. And then what is even better is, okay, did my computer freeze? Hold on. Okay. So then right up here, it says access Trello board. There's also a affiliate Trello board, and that Trello board has tons of resources to help you as a Builderall affiliate to not only share Builderall with other people who want to grow their business leveraging the same tools. It has tons of graphics. It has done for you emails. It has promo videos. It has presentations. It has resources from the trainings that goes over, how to use the system, etc., etc., etc. So those are all things that you have access to. All right. The other thing that I want to point out is, let's see if I can get to it. So when you click on the affiliates tab, this is, let's see if it will load for me. Okay. So one of the things, let me see if I can find it. Okay. So on the help, you'll see that you can place support tickets if you need them, things like that. Okay. And let's see, there's also, okay, so there's also workshops and events. So you can click on that. And then the other thing to note is the knowledge base. Okay. So the knowledge base is where you can type in anything, you want to learn more about Funnel Club, or, you have a question. The first place you would go is the knowledge base. Okay. So what I want to point out is that Builderall has something very unique that you won't find anywhere else. And they have what is called these niche marketing Facebook groups. So let's say that you are an agency and you promote to local businesses. Well, you want to join this group. In this group, you literally have a mentor in that group, and they are giving you tips, strategies for your market. If you are a network marketer, you want to join this group. In this group, they are giving tips on how to build your network marketing business, strategies. You can ask questions, so on and so forth. If you are e-commerce or you sell physical products, you want to join this group because they're talking about the top strategies to sell more physical products. If you are a person, a course creator, or you create workshops, coach, things like that, you sell information products, you want to join this group. And then if you're looking to launch a product or something like that, you want to join this group. So that's something unique, is that, a lot of like funnel builders, they just say everybody's an affiliate marketer. They just assume everybody's an affiliate marketer or network marketer. But people use funnels for different reasons. And it's great to have a group that will guide you through the marketing related to what you're using a funnel builder to do. Okay, then of course, Builderall has its own YouTube channel, blog, so on and so forth. Okay, and then there are standard meetings. so that you can learn more about how to use Builderall to grow your business. I love the Tuesday night trainings with the Builderall Diva. Those are my favorite. And then if you want to learn more about the affiliate side, on Mondays there's affiliate meetings. So that's pretty much that. I do want to show you the bonuses that you get when you join me as a premium member in Team Rise. I'm with Team Rise, and they have amazing bonuses to help people learn how to be better digital marketers. So when you join, you will get access to this amazing team website, which gives you pretty much information on you know, how to do marketing right. That's essentially what all this training is. So it walks you through step by step. In Team Rise, they have created training that covers everything. It walks you through how to navigate your affiliate dashboard, how to connect your Builderall affiliate funnels to your domain. They give you email swipes. I mean, everything that you need. They give you a daily method of operation. They give you a 90-day action plan. I mean, you name it, they've walked you through. There's even training. As a premium member, you get access to additional agency training, which is hosted by one of the top affiliates in Builderall, and he walks you through how to set up an agency step by step and make money from it using Builderall. Okay, so that's pretty much that. I just wanted to show you. I'm not going to go through all these things, but you get access to like team funnels. So you definitely, you know, if you're going to join Builderall, become a premium member, right? You know, and you get access to all of these things. So that's pretty much that. Check out the link beneath this video and smash the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.